Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Today we are going to give you an unbiased review on the online portal that is 99shopsworld.live. So if you are curious to know about unbiased review on this product, just watch this video. 99 Shops World is a multiple product selling online store in India that holds a wide variety of different items such as lehenga, sari, bed sheets, handbags, night dress, home decor, kids toys, chairs, cosmetics, kurti, etc. Furthermore, the customers will get affordable deals with the store as the website has an exclusive sale on its entire collection to save a fortune of money. So let's check out the specification of this online store. It is HTTPS secured website. It has multiple products like clothing, toys, home decor, etc. The social media icons are available on the portal, but unfortunately they have not mentioned their return and refund policies. They are accepting different payment method like Visa card, Master Express, American Express, Mastercard, but they have not mentioned any shipping details on their official portal. Moreover, they have not mentioned their official address and the contact number. The email address which they have mentioning is matching their domain name. Let's check out the positive point of 99 Shops World. It is SSL encrypted website. It claims to hold 4.9 stars of rating and 1000 plus happy customers on the website. It covers 2000 plus pin codes. It holds a wide collection of multiple products. As far as negative points are concerned, it omits to provide much relevant information. We have found negative reviews on the internet regarding this product. The site is providing an unrealistic discount to its customers. So question is 99 Shops World legit? So we are going to check out in detail the more parameters. So by the end we will be able to decide either this is legit or a scam. As far as discounts are concerned, it is offering unrealistic discount, like it offers products worth 999 Indian rupees at 99 Indian rupees only, which is unbelievable. Moreover, as far as policies are concerned, this site lacks to mention information related to its shipping, return and refund policies. No doubt we have found 4.9 stars on the web portal. As far as its content is concerned, it holds average quality of content. It holds social media icons under its product, but none of it found working as it leads you to the post sharing page. The website was registered last week on 21st August 2021 and it will expire on 21st August 2022. It holds just 1% trust rank and trust index score is about 47.7 out of 100. As the website no doubt claims more than 10,000 satisfied customers with 4.9 star rating and all the positive reviews on it. However, when we check out the details, we have found some reviews from external portals where some people have posted that the site is dubious and fake. So in our final conclusion, we can say that the website no doubt trades in different items such as toys, clothing, home decor and other related items. However, the prices of products are unrealistic, which indicates that this e-store is not reliable, and moreover it was created last week, which makes it too new to judge. So due to this reason, the authenticity of the 99 Shops World store is questionable. So we are not recommending you at all to shop from this store. Moreover, if you have personal experience of shopping from this store, please share your experience and views regarding this store with us. We will be interested to know about your experience.